Hi guys, how you doing? Here Carlos Valenzuela from Digital Chaos. Today I want to show you a very interesting product called the No List Secret. Well, in a nutshell, the No List Secret is a method that will allow you to reach everybody's inbox without having a list, without the need of an autoresponder, and without having to pay monthly fees. So you must be wondering, how does this whole thing work? Well, the No List Secret is a training course, okay, which will teach you how to promote evergreen offers, okay, like twice a week by using Google Ads placed on the Gmail inbox of your potential customers. Well, most of the people in the world use Gmail. Well, I guess if you have Gmail, you have seen that on top of your inbox, right before your emails, you have always two ads, right? Well, this is where our promo ads are going to be displayed. And we're going to do this only for the target people that is looking for our products. So in this course, in this training, they're going to be showing you step by step how to do it. Actually, I did it and I'm going to start implementing it right now because I think it's very good. Not much money to risk. I've been running Google Ads, to be honest, but I never into a Gmail account. I didn't know how to do that. So now that I learned it, I'm going to start implementing it because it's not much risk and the potentials are very big. So with that said, if this is something you're interested in, please stick with me because I'm going to go a little bit more into detail. And also I'm going to be showing you the dashboard live right now, okay? Also, if you go down below to my description, you will see that I have a timeline. So if you don't want to see this whole video and you want to skip any part, you can go straight to the demo, straight to the bonus page, whatever you want to see, okay? But right now, I'm going to jump into my bonus page because I have some really good bonuses I want to offer you today. Actually, one of them, my number 5, you're going to be highly surprised. It's a huge, huge bonus. Okay, so stick with me and let's go over to my bonus page. All right, guys, here we're inside my bonus page. You will recognize it because it's very similar to the sales page and it has my name here. You also have a WhatsApp bubble here that if you click on it, you can start a live chat with me. And I'm always there to help you, okay? So if we scroll quickly down, we're going to see the price and upgrades, okay? So let's start with the front end, which costs just $12.95. And with this one, you get the access to the powerful No List Secret and training modules. Then we have the upgrade number 1, which costs only $27. And you're going to get the same money page as these guys are using. They're going to give you done for you campaigns for the next 365 days, at least 2 per week. These campaigns will consist on done for you bonus page, same as graphicals, ads copy, and text. Then the upgrade number 2 also costs $27. It's an advanced training, and it's a Facebook paid advanced training program for affiliate marketing. Here you will learn how you can run Facebook paid ads for promoting launch offers and to generate instant affiliate commissions, okay? Upgrade number 3 costs $57. With this upgrade, you're going to be able to put your tracking pixels on their sales page and take advantage of hundreds of thousands of visitors. The upgrade number 4 now costs $57 and it is license rights. So with this one, you'll be able to get commissions by selling the No List Secret as it would be your own product and keep 100% of the profit through the whole funnel. Okay? And finally, the upgrade number 5 costs $497 and this is Subhash personal one-on-one coaching. Okay? Normally, Brendan doesn't like to coach very often because it takes a lot of time. But Subhash will be doing this personal training one-on-one to you so you can maximize your profits. Some key benefits are that this is a revolutionary new method, is shocking real proof, and I tell you that because I'm going to implement it right now. Like I said, I watched all the videos and I really fall in love with this. There is no email list needed. There's no tech skills of software. It's 100% newbie friendly method, easy to set up in just a few minutes, and you will never seen something like this before. Also, this is all covered by a no question asked 30-day money back guaranteed. Okay, so no problem. So if you want to grab your copy right now, click on any of the yellow buttons here, which will direct you to the sales page. Okay, now let's go over to my bonuses. You will get all the bonus I'm showing you here, plus a very special one, which is a limited offer. I will show you that at the end, okay? Also, just to let you know, all these bonuses are very complementary to the No List Secret. Let me show you. Bonus number 1 is a hack called How to Optimize Your Site for AdSense. So if beside Google Ad, you want to use Google AdSense because you have a site, for example, okay, this is going to be very useful for you. This is a tip that you can download and take all the training. Now the bonus number 2 is another hack. It's advanced tips with Google Ads. Okay, so beside what you're gonna learn inside the No List Secret, This is an advanced training to let you go further. Number 3 is an automatic page creator. Okay, so if you want to build your web page and start making money, for example, with Google AdSense, this is going to help you to create it automatically. Okay, it's also a downloadable zip. Remember to click on any of the yellow buttons here to grab your copy now and secure these bonuses. Now, the bonus number 4 is the special bonus to access all the vendor bonuses. Okay, just to let you know, guys, that all these bonuses are instant bonus delivery. This means your bonuses will be delivered automatically and you will find them next to your purchase files on Warrior Plus. Okay, so just click the button here and secure your bonuses. Okay, guys, now the best part. Get this extra bonus if you take action now. And I'm not kidding, guys, okay? This bonus, let me tell you, is not going to be delivered automatically with the rest of the bonuses. Why? Because this bonus will be removed when the countdown reaches 0. And I'm not joking, guys. That's why it's not going to be delivered automatically. So to claim this bonus, if you take action now, or just before the countdown reaches 0, you will have to write me an email into info@digitalchaos.es with a copy of your purchase ticket, and I will send you back the link to download it. Okay, this bonus consists on 35 bonuses to use in your promos or do what you want with them. This is very special, guys. 35 extra bonuses for you. So with this one, you're gonna get a link to a page that is called Bonus Vault. You will have to log in, create a username and a password, and you'll be able to download all these 35 bonuses for you to do whatever you want with them. Okay, but remember, you have to take action just before this countdown reaches 0, because then I'm going to remove it. And I repeat, that's why it is not delivered together with the other bonuses. So if you want to get all my bonuses right now, go down below to my description or to my fixed comment under this video and click on the link that I let you over there. Okay, with that said, let's go over to the demo and show you the dashboard. Okay, guys, here we're inside the dashboard of No List Secret. As you see, this is very simple, clean. Basically, what you have here is a button to go back to the dashboard, another one to contact support, and logging out. So, as I told you before, this is a training course which consists in 3 different modules. Okay, each of them have a series of videos. So if you go to module number 1, you're gonna have these 4 videos. Please, guys, here is very important that you go step by step. Don't skip any of them and just jump from one to another one randomly, because you may get confused. Okay, so it's very important you go first over to module 1. This module is going to show you the basic structure of the course and what tools you're going to need. Okay, but you don't need any special tools. You can do all this for free. This is the beauty of this. Then in module number 2, okay, is how to go through the Google Ads creation. And it's very well explained. Like I told you, I fall in love with this. I'm gonna do it right now with my next product. Module number 3 is a little bit more advanced. You also have a case study and a conclusion. And then finally you have this other one where you can find the upgrades. If you didn't buy them straight when you bought the front end and you want to buy an upgrade now, you can always access them from here. These are all upgrades, no OTOs, no one-time offers. So you can always access to the upgrades by clicking in this button here, okay? And that's it. As you see, it's very simple and easy and very powerful. Alright, guys, that was it. Remember, if you want to secure your copy and claim my bonuses, especially the last one that has a countdown, go right now in my description and click the link below, okay? You can also find it on my fixed comment, okay? Also, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, no problem. And please subscribe to my channel here. You would make me a huge favor, guys. I appreciate it very much. And also, you're going to be the first ones to know when I release a new product, okay? So thank you for staying all the way to the end with me. I wish you a beautiful day. Take care, take it easy, and be safe. See you in the next one.